Well, at some point, we're going to need a new appliance or a new mattress in our home. It's just going to happen.
It seems to happen when you don't need to spend that kind of a big ticket price.
True.
Let's get to Sarah White. She's live at the Appliance Factory. And Sarah, I heard what your guy out there said earlier about washers and dryers. These aren't like scratch and dent things, but you said about the supply chain when that was all blocked up. So all that stuff had to go somewhere. Is this where some of that stuff went?
Well, I know that here you can actually buy them brand new, or you can buy them with a small dent, actually. So, Ryan, go ahead and share a little bit about the different ways that you can come in and buy.
For appliances, we're going to have them special buys. That's basically a manufacturer supply overstock issue. We buy them off the dock, get thousands of them, and pass the savings on. In-box product, full warranty. Then the out-of-box ones, manufacturers don't like to ship damaged boxes because they lead to problems. We buy those also by the truckload, unbox them, grade them, make sure they're in great condition, brand new, and pass the savings on to the customer. Full warranty on those as well.
So both ways are ways to get savings. And of course, we also want to save on our mattress when we need a mattress. So we have these amazing purple mattresses. I've heard so much about them. Tell us a little bit about the purple mattresses and the sales you got going on.
Sure. So we have a 50% off purple sale going for Labor Day. That never really happens with the brand of purple. Most of the time the prices are pretty set and they move slightly. But due to model change issues and supply overstock, we got thousands of these, and customers can save 50% off until we run out of supplies. So come get yours.
I love that. We're going to take a little walk so we can actually see more of the purple mattresses here. Let's go ahead and walk down to this last one because I want you to show what you have going on the top of the mattress. This is actually inside, correct?
Oh, yes. So this is the purple grid. One of the best things about it is if you touch it, you see how it's like room temperature? It's squishy, comfortable, and it stays the temperature of your room. So it breathes well, and it's great for helping you not sweat in your sleep.
This is amazing. I'm going to just, have a little rest right now. What do you think? I think I'm choosing this one. I'm going to pick this one, you guys. Take home with me. I really like it. And it really is comfortable. We're going to take a walk with Ryan, and we're going to head over here to this appliance, our fridge here. Ryan, go ahead and head on over to the other side. Tell us about this LG.
So this LG is a 30-inch French door. The great thing about it is it'll fit anywhere in your kitchen that you have one of those old top mounts. So if you're looking to upgrade, this thing goes at the competition for $1,200. Come in, mention Labor Day. We're going to sell it to you for $799. And this is an example right here of our out-of-box products. They don't always have dings. A lot of times we have them pristine on the front, maybe a scratch on the side, and it's hidden. Win-win.
You want to open it up for us?
Sure, yeah. Take a look inside. They've got plenty of space in there, lots of crisper drawers, and you even have ice down here in the freezer. So if you're ever tired of using an ice tray, come buy one of these, $7.99.
You know what? And that is actually such a good point that you made. I feel like a lot of us do have those older homes. I was living in one myself, and a giant fridge would have never fit without a kitchen remodel. And so you can actually come in and you can get a new fridge and you can still fit it in the old space that you had for your fridge. So that's amazing. What other kind of sales do we have going on for Labor Day, Ryan?
Oh, man, I've got so much stuff. We've got fridges, we've got laundry sets, we have ranges. Anything you need, we've got it here. From an over-the-range microwave to a built-in 48-inch monogram. I've got it all and everything in between.
All right, and where can people find you guys?
The best way to find us is going to be, you can go to appliancefactory.com, which is our website, or pull up your local navigation service, Google Maps, type in Appliance Factory near me, and while you're at it, you can check out our reviews. We got 4.8, 4.9 stars on all the Cincy locations. We're crushing it.
Crushing it. You heard it right here. Appliance Factory, Mattress Kingdom. You can go to their website. Big sales for Labor Day happening right now. Back to you guys.
See, Mom?
Sarah. Yep.
Mom, this message is for you. Go get a new mattress for you and Dad.
So it's been 40 years?
I don't know if it's been 40 years, but since we moved here in '97.
So a long time on the same mattress, right?
And she's just so sweet. She's like, we don't need one, but we don't need it. Yes, you do.
He's not kidding. $700 something for a counter depth fridge. I paid like $1,600. So
that's good. Yeah, that's good. Go there, check the stuff out. Let's check out the forecast with meteorologist Brad Mousehart in the house on this Monday.
Mattresses.